Hi guys, I just wanted to come in front of you and let you see I'm actually getting my hair retightened. So I'm going to do a video talking about getting your hair retightened here in Boquete as well as in Panama City. My stylist here, she is located in Panama City. I will do a small interview with her so you can get to meet her. But yeah, she comes to you. So as you can see, I'm sitting at home getting my hair redone. And y'all see how much my hair has grown? She's been taking care of my hair ever since I moved here, and it is doing fantastic. So if you're looking for someone to do your locks and have your hair healthy and growing, she is a great option. So stay tuned for that video. Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Life Evolve with Michelle. I have a special guest with me here today. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can or you can't see, my hair is looking so good. I just got my hair done. And so my special guest is my hairstylist. Her name is Teresa, and she is from Panama City, and she travels into Boquete to lock. If you wear locks or natural hair, if you want braids, locks, any kind of natural style, she does all that. So I wanted her to introduce herself, tell you a little bit of how she got into locking and what is her routine. Does she come here every 4 weeks or every 6 weeks? And if she's taking new clients. So I'll let her talk and introduce herself. And here she is.
Hi guys, my name is Teresa Blanford, and they ask, do you come to Boquete? I do come to Boquete every 6 weeks. That's normally what somebody that have sister locks, micro locks, and anything to do with locks always have to keep up the maintenance. So I come every 6 weeks to Boquete. Right now I have like 15 clients here, and I've been traveling to Boquete every 6 weeks for 3.5 years now. So my clients are very consistent. I have new clients, and yes, I'm taking new clients. I have much clients more in Panama City, and I do travel to Coronado, Playa Blanca in the city. I'm doing locks for 5.5 years now, and I get interested in the locks community and to help out our sisters and brothers, because it's hard to find somebody to take care of our type of hair. Normally, you can find people that can do you a blower, a flat iron, nails, all that. And I used to do that before, but I get concentrated in locks because it's hard to find people to take care of our type of hair. And I was introduced by Locs by Miss Charlotte Van Horn. She is a professional loctician, and she trained me because she was stationing locks maintenance and bringing what was sister locks in Panama. But then she went and started doing what is store and leave the lock maintenance to me. So I've been the one taking care of what is people that have sister locks, people that have micro locks, and any type of locks. Actually, I can take care of. I do all what is natural hair, braiding. I can cut, but I try not to get involved in that. I leave some business for the barbers. Micro locks, because it's interlocking. Any way you take it is interlocking to maintain, and I recommend the interlocking in Panama City more than what is palm rolling. I know, everybody have their preference, but as a loctician and a professional loctician, I've been doing this for years, when you do palm rolling in Panama, because of the humidity, it will be out maybe in a week or two. Interlocking, it keep your hair together for the climate. You can go at least 7 weeks. So that's why I will recommend normally my clients when they come with interlocking, with palm rolling, I will tell them, do you really want to do palm rolling? And then I explain them why they should do interlocking, So that's about me. You can contact me. Michelle will give you my number, and anything you want to know more information about what I do and the process and everything. And yes, I do taking new clients.
Okay. So that was great. That was an introduction to Tersa. I also realize you guys hear her accent. So I want her to tell you guys where she's from, how long she's been in Panama, and then, so tell everybody where you're from and how long you've been in Panama.
So I'm originally from Nicaragua, from the Caribbean coast. It's a little place named Bluefields, far like 12 hours from actual Managua, the capital of Nicaragua. So I'm from there. I've been in Panama City this year, will be 18 years since I've been in Panama. So I'm actually Panamanian, like all of us that move here.
Okay, so she's Panamanian basically, but she is from Nicaragua, and she speaks very, very good English. She speaks very well Spanish. So if you guys are looking for someone who can understand what you want, speak a little bit of English, and understand a little bit of English, this is your girl right here. And like I said, as you guys can see, y'all see how my hair is grown, it's long, and it's healthy. So she's been taking care of my hair ever since I moved here to Panama City. So I want to give a shout out to Shantae. Shantae is the one who introduced me to her. And so it's been one of the best experiences ever. I had not to worry about my hair. And if you're a black woman and you know our hair is our crown. And if we don't have that straight, then we have some problems. So I just want to thank her for coming on the show. And you guys, I have some other information. I'll drop her contact information in the chat below. And she is taking new clients. So you guys, if you need some, if you're living in the U.S. and you're trying to come to Panama, this is your girl right here. All right. Thank you guys. Bye. So what is this you're doing to her hair right now?
So we're trying to get back her hair on track because, as you can see, it's been a while. She haven't have a maybe a maintenance, or it's hard to keep it the way because she was palm rolling, right? Yeah, palm rolling. But like I told you before in my interview, palm rolling is a bit hard to keep up when you're in Panama because of the humidity. Whatever wax or you put in, it will melt within minutes, and it will be a week or two before it's over.
Oh, I see what you're doing, how you're blending in that new growth into her lock. I see, okay.
So this is...
Oh, wow. So how often do you come to Boquete to see your clients here?
I come every 6 weeks. Like I said before, it will start get thin. It's get real weak. And you start seeing a lot of scalps. A lot of people will notice they start losing locks, especially if you have real thin locks like sister locks or micro locks.
So you're based out of Panama City, right? You have a shop in Panama City. Do you go to your clients' homes in Panama City, or do they mostly come to you in your shop?
So before, I used to travel to my clients because I didn't have an option, I didn't have a shop. But 2 years ago, I got a shop, and now I mostly make all my clients come to me. I try to stop the traveling because Panama traffic is very, very bad.
How many clients do you have, you'd say, up here in Boquete already?
So in Boquete, I have like 10 clients right now.
Okay.
I reached it to 15 or 18 once, but some people came and they moved back to the U.S. and some are traveling.
Okay.
So,
All right. One last question. So what made you decide to start coming to Boquete and performing lock treatments or doing lock reties out here in Boquete versus just Panama City?
Well, I really didn't even know they had a place named Boquete. But like I said, I've been coming like 3 years and a half. But Van Harn, and they agree. Of course, she asked me if I was open to come to Boquete to do locks. And I said yes. I was so excited to help people and give my service. So that's when I came, we started doing that. And I keep up because after I do the hair once, of course, they want to know what will be happening next. I said,
Yes.
okay, we just make an appointment.
Yes.
And I make it something of my life. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So you guys who are trying to come to Boquete, we have your hair covered here. We have other things that we need to work on, but the hair is not an issue. We have a natural hairstylist that comes to us. So I hope this information is valuable and helpful to you. Please subscribe if you want more information like this or you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. All right, guys, let's stay lock loaded and happy.